89.7, the learner's haven. 89.7, the learner's haven.
Hello kids! I'm back for another topic in Mathematics 6. For our second session, our topic is giving the translation of real-life verbal expressions and equations into letters or symbols and vice versa. Defines a variable in an algebraic expression and equation. Let's take a look at the problem. Andrew will go to SM Rosales from Gerona and the distance is about 38 kilometers. Imagine a fare for the first 4 kilometer is 8 pesos and an additional of 2 pesos for every kilometer. How much does he need to pay? Let us illustrate it. Can you see the illustration? The distance from Gerona to SM Rosales is 38 kilometers. The first 4 kilometers cost Andrew 8 pesos and the rest is an additional 2 pesos for every kilometer. If the first 4 kilometer is 8 pesos, we need to find the amount of fare for remaining distance to get the amount which Andrew needs to pay. The remaining distance is 34 kilometers. Let X be the fixed amount of 2 pesos for every kilometer. To find the total amount of fare, we will use the expression 34x plus 8. Now, let us evaluate. 34x plus 8 is 34 multiplied by 2 plus 8 equals 76. Therefore, Andrew needs to pay 76 pesos. Translating word phrases into algebraic expressions. To translate word phrases into algebraic expressions, familiarity with words and phrases associated with symbols or operations are important. The next table lists some keywords that are used to describe common mathematical operations. The keywords or phrases for the symbol plus are addition, plus, the sum of, more than, added to, increased by, the total of. For the symbol minus, we use the keywords or phrases subtraction, minus, the difference of, less than, decreased by, diminished by, subtracted from, and less. For the symbol x, dot, open and close a parenthesis, the keywords or phrases are multiplication, times, the product of, twice, multiplied by, or of. For the symbol divide, fraction bar, and slash, we use the keywords or phrases division, divided by, the quotient of, and the ratio of. In the following table, study how the different word phrases can be translated or written as algebraic expressions. So our word phrases are p plus 6, the sum of p and 6, p increased by 6, 6 added to p, and 6 more than p. The algebraic expression for those word phrases are p plus 6. For the word phrases q minus 15, the difference of q and 15, q decreased by 15, q diminished by 15, 15 less than q, q less than 15, and 15 subtracted from q. The algebraic expression for that is q minus 15. For the word phrases 2 times y, twice of y multiplied by 2, the double of y, the product of 2 and y, the algebraic expression for that is 2y. The word phrases x divided by 5, 1/5 of x, the quotient of x and 5, the ratio of x to 5, the algebraic expression for that is x over 5. Example 1. Translate to algebraic expression 9 more than twice a number. Let m be the number.
Halina at
So the algebraic expression is 2m plus 9. Example number 2. Translate to algebraic expression the sum of a number and 10 divided by 5. Let a be the number. The algebraic expression for example number 2 is the quantity a plus 10 divided by 5, or a plus 10 divided by 5. Example number 3. Translate to algebraic expression 20 less than half a number. Let w be the number. So the algebraic expression for example 3 is 1/2 of w minus 20, or w over 2 minus 20. For example number 4, express the number of weeks in terms of y days. Algebraic expression y divided by 7, or y over 7. Since there are 7 days in a week, The quotient of a number of days divided by 7 will give us the number of weeks. Janine buys 5-star apples for 6 pesos each and 3 guayabanos for 34 and 50 centavos each. She gives the cashier a 500 peso bill. Write an expression for the total cost of the fruits she buys and an equation for the amount of change the cashier should give to her. Let us use variables to represent the price of each fruit. Let y be the price of each star apple, which is 6 pesos. X be the price of each guyabano, which is 34 and 50 cents. And z be the amount of change. Now, translate the phrases. The algebraic expression 5y plus 3x. This represents the total cost of 5-star apples for 6 pesos each and 3 guayabanos for 34 and 50 centavos each. Algebraic expression 500 minus the quantity 5y plus 3x is equal to z. The amount of 5y plus 3x when subtracted from 500 peso bill will result to the amount of change, or z. Remember, the common words translated as equals are equals, is, are, where, was, is equal to, result is, and yields. Example number 1. Translate into an algebraic expression the sum of a number and 5 is 12. Let a be the number, so we have our algebraic expression is a plus 5 is equal to 12. Example number 2. Translate into an algebraic equation twice a number decreased by 4 is equal to 18. So our algebraic equation is 2b minus 4 equals 18. Example number 3. Translate into an algebraic equation if 7 is added to the difference of a number and 17, the sum is 70. Let C be the number. So we have algebraic equation is C minus 17 plus 7 equals 70. Example number 4. Translate into an algebraic equation twice the sum of a number and 2 is 22. Let D be the number. So we have 2 times the quantity D plus 2 is equal to 22. Remember, a variable is any letter or symbol that represents a number. Some examples are A, B, C, D, E, etc. A constant has fixed value that does not change. For example, 2, -1, pi, etc. An algebraic expression is a mathematical phrase that uses variables, numerals, and operation symbols. Now, open your activity sheets on page 11 and let us answer it one by one. Translate the following word phrases by matching into algebraic expressions or equations on the other side. Write the correct letter that corresponds to your answer. Are you ready? So the first one is 5 more than x. You may now answer.
Halina at matuto, leksyon ay ituturo.
Are you ready now? So let us answer the first one. Number 1 is 5 more than x. What is your answer? Very good. It's letter P. It's x plus 5. The second one is 8 added to z. What is your answer? Very good. It's letter O. Z plus 8. Next one is 9 less than W. What is your answer? The answer is W. It is W minus 9. Number 4, half of K. What is your answer? It's letter E. K over 2. And the last one is thrice Y. What is your answer? It's letter R. Very good. It's 3Y. For our next activity, translate the following word phrases into algebraic expressions. The first one is 6 times the sum of 12 and t. You may now answer. It is 6 times the quantity 12 plus t. The second one is 30 taken from 5 times k. The answer is 5 times k minus 30. Number 3, 15 subtracted from 10 times k. Very good. It's the quantity 10 times k minus 15. How about number 4? Twice the difference between 90 and q. Very good. The answer is 2 multiplied by the quantity 90 minus q. The last one is 7 multiplied to the sum of 12 and 4. Let me see your answer. The answer is 7 multiplied by quantity 12 plus 4. Congratulations, children! I know you have learned a lot today. What about a round of applause for the work well done? Continue answering the remaining items on your activity sheet on page 11 to be checked next meeting. Keep up the good works. Again, attend, listen. I hope you have learned a lot today. I am Darwin A. Ignacio, your grade 6 mathematics teacher. Until next time, goodbye.